Good morning friends and welcome to our channel GeniusStructures. I am your host Dr. Suman Kulkarni and I am going to talk today on a very different topic. I am not going to solve any problem today. I just wanted to have a dialogue with my own viewers. Recently, in past 1.5 months, I have been getting a very positive response, and if you are following my YouTube channel and my Facebook posts, you must have seen from 16th of October till date I could cross 300 viewers, 300 subscribers, and if you see, there were around 200 subscribers on 16th of October. However, I just went on making efforts to increase my subscribers, and frankly speaking, that is not my intention, increasing only the subscribers. What I want is to reach to maximum community of civil engineering. I would like to tell you that the basic intention of creating this YouTube channel was to just reach my current year students, third year students. However, as I went on posting my videos on channel, I received a huge response from my own students, and I just thought of increasing the horizon for this particular YouTube channel. So just few days back I have changed the name of my YouTube channel. Why I changed this title of the YouTube channel? There is one reason. When I launched my YouTube channel on 1st of May Maharashtra Din, I was just not in any position to give particular name to my channel, because 1st May was my target day to just launch my channel and make it reach to my students. So I'm dealing frequently with the subject of structural analysis in the curriculum of UG. So I just thought of giving it a name as structural analysis. I never searched for any particular name, but in 3 to 4 months, when I searched the term structural analysis on YouTube channel, I never saw my particular YouTube channel in the list, in the search list. So I just came to know that there are thousands of channels named structural analysis. So I just thought of taking an expert opinion from my colleagues, from my friends, and some of the experts of this particular subject, and also some YouTubers also. So I just went on searching for particular titles of this channel. So I just thought of giving this name as GeniusStructures. I thought GeniusStructures is a unique title to the channel, and I also experienced in past 1 week that if you type GeniusStructures on YouTube channel or YouTube, our particular channel gets displayed on the screen very fast. So I'm just experiencing the positive effects of changing the title of this particular channel. So it was a good idea and suggestion given by my friends and YouTubers. So I am very much thankful to all of you friends. Thank you very much. Second thing and second intention of changing the name from structural analysis to GeniusStructures is that structural analysis was limiting our knowledge or our domain to only analysis part. However, if you see in civil engineering, there is a large scope of structural design also. So after structural analysis, we have to go to structural design. So where is this particular part that I am going to cover in my channel? I had no scope. I had some boundaries to it. So what were those boundaries? I used to, or I was able to cover particular subjects from first year up to third year only. So those particular subjects are engineering mechanics, then strength of materials, then theory of structures or structural analysis. So structural analysis is spread in 2 or 3 parts. Many of the universities have mostly only 2 parts. So basics of only these parts I was able to cover, and I had to then skip the design part. So this is an important aspect. So I thought of including, why not to include structural design also. So that is also an excellent opportunity for me to reach to my students to a larger extent. So I thought of keeping the name of the channel in such a fashion that I was able to include 2 parts. One is analysis, another is design. So GeniusStructures will be a platform for all of my viewers who will be able to study structural analysis as well as structural design. And apart from this, now you might think that whether our channel is limited to only UG students. No. The main intention of changing the title from structural analysis to GeniusStructures is to increase or raise the horizon. So PG students will also be able to take the benefit out of this channel. Even PhD students will also be able to take some benefit. So I am going to increase now the number of videos on this channel, and also the number of subjects I am going to cover will be more. So I will be starting from engineering mechanics after some days, obviously, because I am particularly dealing with structural analysis at the moment, and I am going to launch different subjects at different points of time in coming future. I am also thinking of inviting some guest speakers to our own channel, and we will be engaging viewers through live sessions. So eminent speakers will be coming to our channel in coming future, and they will be advising us to deal with difficult subjects in structural engineering particularly. Of course, there are some softwares also that we have to deal with. The professionals will also be able to make use of this particular platform to excel in their profession. So there are many softwares that are available in the market. I'm not going to advertise any of the software on my YouTube channel though, but there will be definitely discussion on how to deal with our professional problems or practical difficulties through software on this GeniusStructures platform. And if you see structural design, there are any civil engineer in India, he or she first of all comes across steel design, and IS 800 2007 is the IS code which is suggested by BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. So many of the viewers who have 10 or 15 years of experience, at least 15 years of experience today, if they are watching this particular channel, they must have learned IS 800 as per 1984 version, and in 2007 it got revised, and still 13 years have passed from it till its latest revision, I should say, but BIS has not yet revised its IS 800 version. So there are quite a few challenges in this. and we have to work very much on this. So I need not talk, or I will not be talking about much more on IS 800 or any particular IS code or its versions, because it is a little bit beyond the scope of our viewers in particular. What I wanted to tell you is that if you are a PhD scholar or if you are a PG student, you will be able to take some advantage from this YouTube channel in coming future for completing your research work or completing your PG dissertation work. So that is what I wanted to tell you. And there are few subjects which are electives also, that one civil engineering student comes across in his curriculum, his or her curriculum. So which are those subjects which are from structural engineering background and students even do not know the elective subjects? The subjects like matrix methods in structural analysis. You will be surprised to know this is one total subject and not only one unit or two, as we deal in at third year level. So only flexibility matrix method or stiffness matrix method, to a short or to a concise, a compressed version of these two methods we study at UG level, and we then forget it. When you come to BE, you just do not know what is the extension of stiffness matrix method. What is the extended application of stiffness matrix method? Many times this happens because students just do not get attracted to structural engineering subjects. Why? Because they are lengthy, time consuming and difficult to grasp initially. But once you grasp these subjects, these are very interesting subjects. The extension of stiffness matrix method is finite element method, and basis of finite element is used in most of the softwares. And when you deal with these softwares, you do not know what is the background of finite element method. Okay, so matrix methods in structural analysis, particularly stiffness matrix method, then finite element method. These are two particular areas in structural engineering which a UG student often neglects. So I just wanted my UG student, I want my UG students to particularly focus on this area, because this area is having a very large scope in their future as far as their profession is concerned, whether they will be businessmen, whether they will be professionals, whether they will be doing jobs somewhere. These two areas, structural engineering, are going to help the students throughout their life. There are some more subjects like this that a UG student does not come across, like design of bridges. Whatever the design of bridges we deal with in UG level, it is mostly hydraulic design. Structural design is often not included as a compulsory subject. I don't say it should be included. It is up to the university officials to whether to include it or not. So design of bridge structures is one more thing. Then pavements, structural design of pavements which are flexible and rigid pavements. So these also are the things which we neglect in or at UG level. There are some more subjects like theory of plates and shells, then mechanics of solids is there. These are definitely the subjects of PG. And often what happens at PG level is these subjects are just learned for the sake of getting marks, getting passed. And we don't know what are the lengthy equations of theory of plates and shells actually there. Why are they there? What are their applications? And how have they been formed so? So such different subjects also I am going to bring on this particular platform in coming future. So friends, that is what I wanted to tell you, and hopefully you will be engaging more and more videos on this channel, Genius Structures. Thank you very much.